Hi, welcome to another exciting update on the Open Network. We got a packed lineup today, so let's jump right in. First, let's talk about Memelandia's $5 million grant program. TON Memelandia is taking the memecoin game to the next level by launching a massive $5 million grant program to support TON Memepads, the backbone of memecoin ecosystem. 3 projects are already cashing in on this initiative, each scoring $500,000. Gas Pump, Big Pump by PocketFi, and TON Pump by Hot Wallet. This program is all about strengthening infrastructure, boosting community-driven assets, and bringing in more players into the memecoin scene. Memelandia is making TON the place for memecoin culture. Check the description if you'd like to dive more into the project. Next up, we have Fireblocks Support on Jettons. This is huge for developers and businesses. Fireblocks supporting Jettons means seamless custody, trading, and product development within the TON ecosystem. Fireblocks is also rolling out a $200,000 program to fuel innovation. Whether you're building mini-apps, payment solutions, or trading platforms, this is your chance to shine. This all creates opportunities for consumer apps, payments companies, exchanges and fintechs, and even institutional trading firms, paving the way for serious growth across various sectors. And last but not least, let's talk about MiniApp Streak System campaign. Telegram's App Center has just dropped the Streak system. Complete daily tasks, rack up rewards, and level up your personal Moai statue from bronze to gold. And it's not just about you. Every task boosts the community reward pool, adding more TON tokens and NFTs for the most active participants. Oh, and don't miss the Grand TON lottery. With over 150 winners and grand prize of 2,000 TON, it's your shot to win big before December 26. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. See you next time.